The biggest issue freshers face is I can't find a job. But before blaming hiring platforms, companies or HR, ask yourself, what skills do you have to get that job? Pause this video for 5 seconds and think. Can't think of any skill? Well, the problem is not that jobs are not available. The real problem is that you do not have relevant skills. So what is the solution? First, build the industry relevant skills and then look for a job that fits those skills. In this video, you will know the common mistakes that you might be making during your job search. And by fixing these mistakes, you can increase your chances of getting a job up to 10 times more. For this, I have divided the video into 3 sections. Section 1, finding a job with zero skills and experience. Section 2, finding a job with some skills. Section 3, answers to some common questions that you might have during job search. At Internshala Jobs, daily hundreds of companies post their job openings, and for each job, we often get over 1,000 applications. Yet we receive messages from both sides. Companies not finding the right candidates and freshers struggling to get hired. Why does this happen? Because you are applying for every job you see. It is not about applying everywhere. It is about applying for a job where your skills actually fit. Companies hire people who have the right skills for that job. That is why, even after applying for so many jobs, you do not get a response from the HR. The solution is simple. You should focus on building the skills companies need. For example, if you want to become a data scientist, then you should have skills in data science. Similarly, if you want to become a graphic designer, then you should have skills in UI UX design. So skills सीखो और job ले लो. But how can you do that? You can take online courses, but while choosing a course, consider the following. Make sure the course covers the specific skills you are looking for. Then ensure the skills are in demand and are used in the industry. Choose instructors that are industry experts as well. Look for courses that include live sessions and industry level projects. These projects will help you show your practical skills to the recruiters. Read reviews from students who have taken the course. And also check, does the course fit your budget or not? And go for the courses that offer soft skills training, resume building, mock interviews and live boot camps to make you placement ready. And Internshala placement guarantee courses cover all the above points. In these courses, you will learn directly from industry experts, work on real projects, and most importantly, you will get 100% placement guarantee after completing the course. So if you want to know more about these courses, then you can find the link in the description box below. Now let's talk about how to find a job if you have some relevant skills. So first is highlight your skills through projects and work experience in your resume. Check this video to find out how you can make an ATS friendly resume and how you can customize your resume according to each job role. The link is in the description box below. Second, you can apply to relevant jobs on job portals. There are a number of job portals like Internshala available in India, where companies actively looking for candidates with emerging skills. All you need to do is create an account and you can start searching for jobs using filters like location, employment type, and your preferred field. Internshala also helps you create a resume on the portal so that you can directly apply for jobs without filling out application forms every time. You can check this video for the detailed description. The link is in the description box below. Third, find jobs opportunities through career pages of companies. Most companies regularly update their career sections, so regularly check their career pages for latest job openings. For example, if you want to apply for a job at Google, so go to Google's official career page and search for job role that you are interested in. For example, if you are looking for a software engineer job role in India, you can see all the available job vacancies on the screen. Click on it, read the details, and hit the apply button to submit your application. Here is a bonus tip. You can subscribe to job alerts on their company career sites and can get updates about their new openings. Fourth, there is one more way to get into these companies, that is through referrals. But now you might be thinking, I am a fresher, how I can get a referral? Well, there are 2 ways by which you can get a referral. First, reach out to employees already working at the company you want to apply for. Second, reach out your college seniors or batchmates who who are already working in the field you are interested in. For that, make a list of companies you want to work with and companies who hire people with your skills. Check if any of your classmates or senior work in those companies and find out their contact information and connect to them directly. If you do not know anyone, search for employees of the company on LinkedIn and write a personalized message to them. Let's say if you want to apply for a job at Google, just type Google in the LinkedIn search bar. Once you are on their company page, go to the people section and you will find a list of current employees working at Google. Send them a personalized message. In this message, introduce yourself, mention your interest in the company and ask politely for guidance or a referral. You can check this video to find out ways to reach out to employees in a company and sample messages which you can send to them. You can use them to write your message. The link is in the description box below. And keep learning new skills to stay relevant in the job market, because the more updated you are, the better your chances of getting hired. So now let's discuss some questions you might have. I write to many people on LinkedIn, around 100, but I got reply from only 2. So what's wrong with that? It means you need to increase the number of people you are connecting with. Try reaching out to 200 or more. I am competing with experienced candidates, but I am a fresher. How will I get a job? Skills matter. Till the time you get a job, do internships in your field to gain experience. And sometimes internships also lead to a full-time role. The job search process is time consuming. How can I stay motivated? Yes, it is. अब नौकरी चाहिए तो ये करना ही पड़ेगा. Pick the time of the day to apply and write to the companies when you are the most active and focused. Make a list and check off the companies to track your progress. Here is a tip. Avoid reaching out to employers on Friday, as the weekend is approaching and the chances of getting their replies are less. So if you have more questions, comment below. I will answer them. And with that, I have come to the end of the video. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, share and drop your thoughts in the comment. Good luck with your job search and see you in the next video.